Introducing the Aluminum Metal Asset Tag. Built tough for your most demanding environments. Crafted from premium anodized aluminum, these tags combine lightweight design with unbeatable strength. Equipped with premium 3M adhesive, each tag forms a strong, lasting bond. Built to stay put year after year, engineered to resist scratches, endure direct heat, and repel moisture, keeping your identification clear and secure for years. Customize your tag with barcode, QR code, numbering, or text. 4 ways to track and manage assets, giving you complete control over how you track your assets. Barcodes are scanned with barcode readers for quick, accurate inventory updates. QR codes are scanned with smartphones or tablets, linking directly to manuals or service logs. Numbered tags provide simple visual identification for easy logging and control. Text tags provide clear branding and compliance labeling for professional presentation. BannerBuzz Aluminum Metal Asset Tags. Perfect for heavy machinery, outdoor equipment, and industrial tools. Start tracking your assets today